Enjin coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, once again I present with another latest update of Enjin coin. So what's going on in this time in Enjin coin? What's the current price of Enjin coin? What's the price of Enjin coin? In this video I will share with all urgent news, urgent update of the Enjin coin. So you have to just watch this video complete for better understanding. And one another thing, my friends, you have to subscribe is very important for all of you, because if you subscribe, so I hope you'll never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market if you subscribe. Now let's start the video, my friends. The currently and latest price of the Enjin coin is 1.02 USD dollar. 1.02 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Enjin coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the BTC Bitcoin price of the Enjin coin, so 0.0003113 USD dollar BTC price of the Enjin coin. That's the Bitcoin price of the Enjin coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Enjin coin. So I think every update is going good. And from yesterday, my friends, I think from yesterday everything is going upward. Wow, my friends. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Enjin coin, so the price change is also going good. The last 1 hour, last 24 hours price change of the Enjin coin is positive. So if these changes is positive, that's mean that Enjin coin is going good. The Enjin coin price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, day by day, my friends. So it's good news, celebration, my friends. Congratulations to all Enjin coin holders. And you know what is my prediction about Enjin coin? My prediction is going 100% positive. I believe that Enjin coin will continue this pump for a long time, my friends, and they will give us good amount of profit in the future, my friends. That's my prediction, that's my opinion about Enjin coin. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Enjin coin? Please also share in the comment box, and make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates, for more news videos. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.